It's a good job Stuart's a bloody good driver, I'll tell you that. Hello and welcome to today's episode of Beyond the Pedal. Now you may remember a few months ago I did some amazing work with the guys over at MEV. Well, Stuart's invited me down to a lovely little circuit in the Midlands because apparently they've got a bit of a new release, so we're going to go and catch it with Stuart, see what else they've added to the fleet of already incredible kit, guys. Remember that MX5? Stunning. Well, apparently there's something new, there's something a bit more even more track focused. So let's go catch up with Stuart and enjoy this incredible day. Enjoy. Hello.
Hi there.
Goodness gracious me, what on earth is this? How are you? What have we got here?
Very well, thank you. So this is the new Exocet RX. We've taken the popular MEV Exocet and used a new donor. While building the Mark III version using the MX5 Mark III donor, we realised that the platform was very similar to the RX8.
Yeah. And
we said, let's see what fits. So we took the chassis from the Mark III Exocet that we already make, dropped it onto an RX8 running gear, worked out what needed changing, and here we are. So the running gear is all RX8 engine, RX8 gearbox, RX8 diff, suspension, wishbones. Everything from the RX8 is taken in the same concept that we use with the Mazdas.
So quite a similar formula then to what the fans of the MEV, the Exocet already know, and now you've kind of appealed to the rotary market, it would appear.
Exactly that, yes. We've been tempted by the rotary because it has its reputation for good and bad reasons, but we took the good side of it, the power, the revs, and the low centre of gravity, and dropped it into our Exocet chassis, and it has just turned this already brilliant car into something just bonkers.
So will guys be able to race this within your racing series, or is will this be a future project?
We're hoping we can write the regs to allow the RX to be competitive and run with the other MEVs that we race. We still need to do a little bit of development. We need to work out the fuel tank situation and the exhaust manifold that we've had custom made for the chassis. But once we've nailed that down, then yeah, they're going to be road, track, and race.
Brilliant. Like with a lot of the other MVs, the Exocets that we've seen here at your really cool track day, will it again be just as customizable with all different shapes, sizes, and accessories?
Yep.
Same sort of thing.
Exactly that. Yeah. So with this one, we've gone crazy. We've gone bold. We've taken the paintwork. So the inspiration is the 787B rotary Le Mans winner. The livery is from that, just because it's a rotary underneath. People know that engine. They know the history of the rotary in that platform. So we've taken that. We've put a big silly wing on the back. We've put some big wheels on it, just to make it bold and brave, and people can just see it there.
I don't think it goes unnoticed. That's for sure. It's fantastic. So if people want to know even more about this already incredible Exocet RX, where can they go?
To the website. All the details are on the website at mevkitcars.co.uk. We've got the Facebook group, got the Facebook page. We're all over socials. Search for Exocet RX. It'll come up on your search engine as well. It's everywhere.
Brilliant. Well, I think it's time for a little bit of a hot lap and really show everyone what this thing's made of, yeah?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
Brilliant. Let's do it.
Thank you.
good job. Stuart's a bloody good driver, I'll tell you that. Fantastic.
Thank you. That's fun.
That was, if that was any of the sales pitch, that was the one right there. Sign me up. That's incredible. Absolutely handles like a dream. Light was on rails, but getting that back end out felt almost like it was just effortless.
Yeah. Very easy, very controlled as well.
It seemed like the car was almost very predictable.
Yeah,
like you just knew what it was going to do. I'm not saying because you're evidently a good driver, but it just felt super comfortable. Like just the build quality and the way it just felt really predictable. Yeah, really good car.
It's Mazda's done a lot of the hard work with the suspension setup, with the wishbones, the build that we're using. They've done a lot of the hard work. We've built a good chassis to go around that, and it just complements it so well.
Yeah, fantastic, absolutely fantastic. Stuart, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Well, that concludes today's episode of Beyond the Pedal. It's been an incredible day here with the guys at MEV. And so a huge thank you to Stuart, his team, that insane Exocet RX, which was just fantastic. Yeah, what a day, and what a great opportunity to come down with the guys here at MEV. It's been great to see all the Exocet MX5s going around, and of course the release of this new Exocet RX. Don't forget, if you want to find out more, I will leave a link in the description below if you want to find out how you can get your hands on one of these insane track cars. And if you haven't seen it before, go and check out the MX5 video. That should be in a link at the very end. But overall, a fantastic day. A huge thanks to everyone here, all the staff here at the circuit. Yeah, these Exocets, these MEV Exocets are next level. Definitely one of the best track cars I think you can definitely get. But yes, huge thank you to Stuart and his team. Another episode done. Right, thanks a lot guys, cheers for watching. Don't forget, like, subscribe, turn on notifications, etc. All the YouTube jargon that you know and love. Anyway, thanks for watching, sign off for now, see you in the next one, bye bye.